Do you want to create AI agent for cancer diagnosis in just 10 lines? We'll use learn and play method to teach AI Python for beginners, healthcare professionals, and engineers. We are going to build a toy example of an AI agent for cancer diagnosis. The AI agent is going to get images from the lab and diagnose the cancer. So I'm going to share the link of my Jupyter Notebook and how to run that notebook without any hassles. We created AI agent using machine learning models. We looked at many models and also looked at their correlation chart and learning curves. Welcome to AI10L. My name is Abdullah Mansoor. I'm a machine learning engineer and I work for Intel for 10 years. I'm author of Springer AI book and I'm also your AI growth partner. So are you ready to learn AI Python and build an AI agent for cancer diagnosis? We're going to learn step by step with 10 lines of code at a time. So watch the complete video and I hope you will learn a lot in this video. We learned how to download and analyze ISIC dataset in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, please do so at the end. Datasets are goldmine of knowledge. Other way to think of this is that your machine learning model is as good as the datasets are. Let me share a fun fact. The size of the open source 𝐷Py dataset used for training GPT-NEW, a large language model like ChatGPT, is almost 1 terabyte. What's your favorite dataset? Please share with us in the comments. We will create a toy example of an AI agent for cancer diagnosis. AI agent will take images from the lab and will diagnose the cancer. For this example, AI agent, which is a machine learning model, will take the images from the ISIC dataset and will diagnose whether the cancer is benign or malignant. In this video, we will create an AI agent using machine learning model. Machine learning model could be neural networks, decision trees, ensemble algorithms, or linear models. Each model will come up with its own set of parameters. Our goal is to select the best model for our AI agent. The process of selecting the best model is a bit involved. It requires training the model in different configurations and select the best one. That's a lot of jargons and seems a lot of work, but nothing to worry about. Thanks to Python AutoML libraries. I want you to think your journey of learning Python from the experience of driving cars. Cars are complex systems, but we don't need to learn everything to learn how to drive cars. We use interfaces like steering wheel or pedals to control the car. In the same way, we can use the Python libraries by learning the interface without deeper understanding of the code. Python environment was once the biggest hurdle in learning Python. Thanks to Google Colab and Replit.com to make it easy. However, they both have pros and cons. While Google Colab provides a large free space, it is limited in Replit.com. On the other hand, Google Colab does not provide a Linux command line interface, whereas Replit does. In this tutorial, we are going to use Google Colab because it's compatible with our AutoML library. Let's roll up our sleeves and get coding. I have provided the link of my Google Colab Jupyter Notebook in the description of the video. You only need your Google account to access the Google Colab. Let's paste the link in the browser. This will open up my notebook in your computer. The first step is to download the feature extracted dataset that I have provided into your computer. So copy the link and paste that in the browser again and download it. Once you are done downloading, you're going to come back to the Google Colab window and upload that file. Now you're ready to run all the steps one by one. Just click on the play button and it will run the command. So whenever you run a command, sometimes it shows some output, sometimes also referred as log. These logs are very important for you to understand what is going on in that specific step. I'm not going to run all the steps because I have already ran it previously. It's very important to pay attention to these log messages. They have very useful information. So last, I'm going to print the leaderboard, which shows me which one is the best model. So stacked ensemble is the best model, which has the mean average error of 0.2, which is roughly 80% accuracy. How was the test drive? Scared? Motivated? Please share thoughts in the comment section. Next step is to learn to drive. Then learn to create. Learning Python can be overwhelming. So give yourself enough time and let's learn one step at a time. So we built an AI agent using machine learning model. We looked at many machine learning models and there are a lot of configurations, and we find the ensemble algorithms were leading the board. We also draw the model correlation graph where we see that how much model are similar to each other. We see that generalized linear model and gradient boosting models were a bit of outliers there. And we also look at the learning curve of the graph and how the error reduced from 82% to 20% during the training. Remember, a fool with the tool is still a fool. I have given you some next steps as a food for thought. Feel free to use ChatGPT when learning Python. I hope you like this video. My next video will be how I extracted features from the images. Are you transitioning to an AI career? Then you are at the right place. If you want me to help you make customized roadmap to expedite this journey, then feel free to set up consultation with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your comments.